back, guys. Today I'm here with Zlike hair once more. This is the packaging that we have that I got. Open the box and I'm seeing, you know, this branded packaged vibe. So this is how it looks on the inside. I got this branded drawstring bag. I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into. And then lastly in the box, I got a goodie bag. So let's get into it. Got an edge brush and comb. I got this branded Zlike headband and a pair of wig caps. So this is the wig that I have today from Zlike. Oh my gosh, that color job is beautiful. Look at that bones. Look at that movement. Oh wow. So this is actually their 13x4 body wave highlighted wig. Yes, so it's a 13x4 lace front, as I said, and it's a mixture of 1B, of T1B, number 4, and 27 hair color. Alright, as you can see, it's a really nice blend going on. This is how it is. It's a straight across 13x4 lace front, and then inside the wig cap has a total of 4 combs along with an adjustable straps in the back. It is really nicely constructed, okay, and then there is it's lightly pre-plucked in the hairline. The hair feels very nice and silky. I'm super excited to go ahead and install this. It's really nice, I must say. It's very nice. It's very full as well. Yeah, also it is 180% in density. So yeah, I love that. And the lace that we're working with is a transparent HD lace. So that is lovely. So now that I got through those specs with you guys, let me go ahead and jump into installation. Let's go.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
So this is how it's looking. As you can see, I just cut away the mid portion of the lace because, you know, I want to have a comfortable install. It was in my eyes, so I had to cut away the excess. No, you guys know the drill. I usually just go ahead and measure up, you know, how the hairline is fitting my natural hairline, and then I pretty much go in and cut away the excess from around the ears and proceed with application. So for today's application, I'm using my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. This is what I've been using. It's my favorite thing to use when it comes onto a spray these days. Like you guys know I used to do Got To Be so much, but this is way stronger. Well, let me just say it's stronger and it's less messy. It doesn't leave the hairline as shiny and crunchy. It still has that crunchy effect, you know, but it's not as shiny. So I prefer that. I prefer dealing with that. It's more discreet and it dries down faster, so it's way easier to work with, in my opinion.
Deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Then I'm gonna cut away the excess lace I'm gonna just continue to, you know, speed through, because I mean, this isn't anything you guys haven't seen me do before.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
That's how that's looking. You know, I just applied the elastic band to further melt the lace down. The hair is really soft. Did I mention that to you guys? But you know, because of the installation, you know, you have to be repositioning the hair and all that stuff. Sometimes the waves get a little messy, so I'm gonna run through the entire wig with my curling iron just to get some refreshed waves. Oh, and before I even get into that, let me go ahead and show you that you can part right across this wig, because it is a free part, as I said, 13x4, so you have a decent enough space to work with. You know, you can get a nice side part, center part. You can style it like different ways in the front, you know, as you wish. So feel free to explore.
Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
I'm just going to make the parting more precise. The color job, Beyonce, definitely, yeah.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
While my edges are still melting down, I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling the wig right throughout. So far, I can tell you, running my fingers through the hair, I am getting shedding, but it's not excessive. You see, I got a few strands here. Okay, just a few, so it's minimal shedding. That is a bad, and I must say, for processed hair, it does not feel coarse. It doesn't feel coarse. It's very soft and luscious, so I do love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, as I say, and just start giving this some nice waves. So I'm gonna speed through this.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every Up the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
So this is it. I just went ahead and removed the headband. Everything is looking really nice. See? Yeah, like guys, I'm not kidding. The texture of the hair is so soft. Like Zlike hair. Y'all mastered the art of coloring your hair and keeping it silky. Not a lot of companies have come across, like a lot of times it's gonna have that coarseness to the hair. It doesn't have, it's not coarse at all. It's not coarse. It's so like luscious, you know, and silky. Look at those waves. Yeah, and the color looks beautiful, like so gorgeous. The color is so gorgeous. Like, I can't complain. I really can't complain. Like, you guys did what needed to be done. Everything looks really good. I'm pleased. Okay, pleased, I tell you. I'm gonna be sure to put direct link to this wig in my description box as usual. All the specifications will be listed. It's like y'all did your thing. This is a gorgeous color. It's gorgeous. Not a lot of shedding, as I show you, minimal. And yeah, that's how I'm looking for it today. Let me know if you guys like today's wig look. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You know, if you're interested in getting it for yourself, as I said, check out the description box. The direct link is there. That's it for today's wig look, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me